Uncensored.com versus Ollama. Today we want to figure out which one of these tools are actually more uncensored and unfiltered. Okay, so what have we got here? Uncensored AI. If you've stumbled upon Uncensored, you'll know that it is cutting that barrier for AI capabilities, all right? It's giving you access to the most powerful AI models without any filters, no restrictions or bias. It is designed for users who really demand the depth of artificial intelligence. Gone are the days of ChatGPT just agreeing with you. Gone are the days of Gemini saying, hey, how can I help you? And not really actually offer any help. There's no guardrails. It gives you deeper insights. You can create images from your camera, from your library. You can search the web in real time. But one of the biggest things about Uncensored is they are privacy first. So it's anonymous, you get private interactions, and it's continuously refined by user feedback. So if you are looking for something that is really uncensored, Uncensored AI really is amazing. It's trusted by more than 10 million users worldwide, and it's got a 4.4 star rating on your app store, so you can go ahead and grab it directly from there. Also, they have cutting edge models, so you can access Minimax, Grok, Kimi, and they're constantly expanding with user driven updates. They have speech playback, AI predictive inputs, and code mode, which serves a more diverse professional and creative need. And then the last thing is the Uncensored API lets developers embed unfiltered AI directly into their own application. Uncensored AI is actually quite wild. If you're looking for something to blow your mind, Uncensored is amazing. Alright, so looking at Ollama now, it is a local AI orchestration platform that runs open source large language models entirely on your very own local hardware. There are absolutely no cloud requirements. This privacy-focused solution gives you more control over your data and supports offline operations. Now, in some instances, cloud-based activity is fantastic because if you are using more than one device, it is great. You get to sync all of your devices. However, having the privacy-focused solution and having everything run locally on your machine is also a fantastic option. Of course, you'd have to decide which one of those two options actually suits your needs best. It supports multiple popular models, including Llama 3.2, Mistral, Code Llama, and Phi 3. You can also see over here it prioritizes data sovereignty and private computing, and it enables local AI without any specialized hardware. Some of the key features over here is their local inference. So all data stays on premises, making this option ideal for privacy. If you have any sensitive applications or confidential information, this will not be exposed. It also uses simple commands to download, update, delete models from an ever-growing library of open source LLMs. You also have mod customization, so you can tailor your interface behaviors without retaining through customizable configuration files. And also it is a completely cross-platform, so it can run on Mac, Linux, with experimental Windows support for maximum accessibility. The last thing that we're going to have a look here is some of their use cases. So you can develop AI-powered products quickly without cloud reliance or ongoing API costs. You can deploy in regulated, air-gapped, or secure settings where data can't leave the premises, and you can maintain strict data sovereignty and privacy compliance for more sensitive business operations. So there we go, folks. There are a bunch of uncensored AI, unfiltered tools out there. Go ahead and check some of them out and see which one actually works for you. If this video was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.